Today, going to look at replacing a little bit of the hoses for the central lubing on the arm. It was 4 hoses up there that they had seen had several repairs on them, and some of them looked quite worn. Removed some of that plastic protection on them. Did some cleaning under all the pipes that run the length of the arm. Started undoing the hoses needing to be replaced. Just took them apart. Fitted a new connector to the end of the new hose, and then joined them together with the old one, so I could just pull the new one into place using the old one. It went quite smoothly, a little tricky getting it through the first section here. After that it was no problems. I'm not sure you can see, but the outer part of this old hose has started to come apart for a long section of the hose, so it's better to do it now than in the middle of the winter when it's cold. Up at the block, the adapters into the block wanted to move, so had to hold them. Caused more issues later when replacing hoses further into the block. Cut it a little too long, just so I can line all the 4 of them up before cutting them to the true length. Here I had to remove some of the adapters to have access and be able to undo the innermost one. So it was simply repeat for all 4 hoses. Once it was up there and connected, I could continue with the next one, cutting it a little long just to have a little to work with. Adding a new connector to the new hose. Three of the hoses had to go through that kind of knee joint, or is it elbow joint on an arm. The last one was connected before that. Pulled it all the way up and connected it up the spreader block. With all of them lined up, I started adding some of that plastic protector to them again. Also fit some zip ties further up to help hold them in place. Had trouble getting it under this clamp here, so loosened that up and fed it under, but it felt and I could see that a lot of the wear was near that clamp, so decided to add some more plastic in that section, and maybe it's actually able to clamp down on these hoses, taking away any movement here just at the sharp clamp. We'll see, maybe it's an improvement, maybe it will make things worse and accelerate wear, who knows. And then there was a small clamp here holding one of the hoses, the one that's not going through the elbow joint. When they were cut to size, connectors were added and they were just bolted in place, went quite easily. Must remember to look closely that you can use the full range of the arm next time it's started and not start pulling on any of these, but I think I'm okay. Yeah, last one here, and then I replaced one. They had these luggage straps on both sides, kind of holding things together, but the one on this side, the actual buckle was broken, so found a new orange nice eyesore color one to put in place, and then reclaimed all the connectors.